Welcome back to Melodic Art. My name is Mickey. So today I have this amazing gift from Wendy, and she sent me some New Year's things, and I am like, I have to fess up. I actually brought this home during my lunch break from work, and I opened it and I peeked inside and I saw some things and I was like, I gotta stop. And then and then I said, okay, I'm gonna wait for an actual or real true video so I can kind of show surprise on the video. And but I did look at a couple things, so I mean, I won't be like, I can't fake surprise, so I'm not gonna do that to you guys. So one of the first things is one of these cool things. And it looks like it's what is it called? Sure, Newton's Cradle. Thank you. Goodness, it was on there. Thank goodness it saved me. So I'm going to have this on my desk. And I bought one of these for my son a long while ago, and I was like, oh, that would be fun to have on my desk too. Can't wait to build it. So that's cool. Her envelope on the front was taped with these, and she drew these flowers on the tape, so I'm going to save them for a project. Oops. That's funny. Okay, so yeah, so this is one of the first things I grabbed when I was sorting through, and I was like, oh, look at these amazing paints. So excited. I think this is Daniel Smith. Green coral. It looks like it, because I know that this is pretty distinctive of the way that Daniel Smith pulls away from the half pan. I don't know. Yeah, they feel pretty dry. Oh my gosh! And then I saw, ooh, there's something else that's a goodie. Then I saw this sparkly paper. And there's all sorts of samples of paper. We're going to do that in a second. There's fluid cold press with some more sparkle in it. I don't know if I have that. Winsor Newton cold press, really texturized. Strathmore cold press, 100% cotton. Oh, this is cotton. These two are cotton. This is cotton. It's a hot press. Oh, never tried that. These all feel very, very nice. Fabriano Artistico, 100%. Strathmore with the vertical line texture. Be Creative. Oh, I've never tried that before. That looks like canvas. Interesting. And Strathmore Heavyweight. Is that hot press? Mixed media? Mixed media. Wow. Awesome! Can't wait to try these. I'm gonna put them back in order as I found them. Okay, and this is what made me stop, because I was like, what? This looks like a set of Mission Gold. These look like Mission Gold numbers. Is that what this is? It is. Look, I can already see that MGraham written there. Oh my gosh. Oh my garage. Wow. Trying to get this off. She got me skinny little sunshines. So sweet. Get this off. This is really dull right now. I've been cutting a lot of paper. goodness. Oh, she's got the double-sided tape on there so they stay put. That is clever. Let's unwrap one. I just cut my nails too. Oh, I got my thumb in there. Oh, these are all nice and juicy. You know how MGraham doesn't dry very well, but I'm sure she dried these. This is Mineral Violet. Wow, I love Mineral Violet. I have tried one from one of the ones she sent me by Holbein. Yeah, this one right here, I really liked it. It's very pretty. And now I have this. Oh my gosh. Yes, she sent me these too. So I have all sorts of things I've never tried that I have tried now. So, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to do a speed unwrap of these, which I'll do right now. All right, so I'm back with these amazing goodies, and I have to tell you, I needed to take kind of a minute because I was starting to get like a really like a fear feeling. And I was researching online, and I found out that well, I looked up the fear of receiving, or people who have a hard time receiving, and I wrote down some things that came up for me, and they have this list on there that's 1 through 5, and I think that I hit on the fear of being intimate, fear of strings attached, believe it's selfish to receive. I feel like all of these, like the self-imposed pressure to reciprocate and letting go of control, like I was getting kind of a panicky feeling because I was like, how can I repay her for all of this? And yeah, so I was like really stressing, and I couldn't even like go forward. I was just like, I just need to take a minute and kind of like sit with this feeling and like understand what's going on with me. And I think it's hard for me to receive, and I can't just not negate that I am absolutely blown away, grateful for all of these amazing things, and I will absolutely cherish them. But for some reason, I just get a little like a fear feeling. And I don't know if you do, but I wanted to just kind of bring that up and say, you know, I think we should all not be afraid to receive, you know, and we sort of like tell each other it's better to give than to receive, and I kind of feel maybe that's where the control comes in for me. Like I can give easy. So again, I really appreciate this, Wendy. I'm absolutely stunned. So I think what I have here is the whole set of all of the MGrahams in like half pan size. And I'm like, this is expensive paint. That's what I'm thinking also. So this is just amazing. I really appreciate it. Okay, I'll stop. Okay. Deep breath. Okay, so I think I have them all sorted, and amazing, amazing, and amazing. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab what else I see in here. This must be one of her Oh, not this one. It's this one. Oh, it's got croissant. It's got a little pencil. Looks like it's at 0.5. Yeah. Look at that. How cute. It's got croissant, baguette, and milk in it. Très français. Very cute. I'm going to be using this. And I've never used an oil gel pen. What? What is that? I've used these before. Yep, these are really good. Look how thick this is. That's a big one. Nice blue pen. What is this? Oh, it's got a little tip on it, so we know it's brand new. It writes just like a regular ball pen. A little bit streaky. Interesting. I have never tried these before. Very cool. I wonder if I should have just let that dry. Oops, sorry. Okay, so now let's see what else is in here. I got two more things. Snellier. Looks like this might be their brochure. And their chart. Oh my gosh. That means I can get rid of my printout. This is awesome. Thank you so much. And Schmink chart too, which I don't have. Wow, that's cool. Very neat. Ooh, and about their pigments. Pink. Very cool. It's nice to have the brochure. I've never, ever, ever thought of getting them. But I will be poring over those. You know I will be. So now I really want to play with these and swatch these out. And I don't want to waste the paper she gave me. Maybe I do. Maybe on the fluid. And I'll get a bigger piece of cheaper paper and save this paper for special projects. And I have one last sheet of Canson cellulose cold press. So I'm going to set that up and I'll be right back.